Chocolate Girls. Super happy we're here. It's Miss Portia. We've got some cuties here in Miami and beauties online. We are gonna dance beginners today, but we're going to learn a choreography to an Egyptian song called So Ya So by Mohamed Mounir, who's a very famous Egyptian singer, super great voice. So today you're gonna learn 5 moves and 3 combinations. Check me out. Combo 1, sentence 1. Squeeze, plie, releve, tuck, lift, roll. Circle, circle, walk, walk, walk. Circle, circle, walk, walk, walk. Arms are less important. Feet first and then hips. That's the most important thing. So if the arms are messing you up, leave them here. Okay, so if arms are messing you up, just focus on those feet and the hips. Now I'm gonna add arms if you're ready. Pose, pose, hug, cross, open. Pose, pose, step, step, step. Circle, circle, step, step, step. Good, that's combo 1. Combo 2, hip drop. Drop, 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 walk, walk, easy enough, right? Yeah, and walk, walk, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's do 2 more. Let's drill it in the brain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk, walk, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold. Combo 2. Step, touch, step, touch. Step, touch, step, touch. Add the hip, add the glute. No arms first. Combo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the side. This is our combination number 2. Arms to the front. Hup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the side. Step, bump, to the front, to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the side. We got it. Can you do it one more time? Egyptian walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And shimmy. Breathe. Yes. Woo. Not bad, missies. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Deep breath. Let's finish our last combo. Check me out, please. We bend, we tuck, lift, roll, arms. 1, 2. We're gonna go with slides. Before I add this next combo, check me out. Listen to the sequence. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Slide, slide, quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. Can we add the figure 8 with that? Ready? Twist, twist, quick, quick, twist. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Good. One more. Ready? We go slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. 2 more. Slow. You got it. Slow. This is very Egyptian. The sequence going slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Arms, no shimmy. Check me out. Up, up, down, down, down. Up, up, cross, down, down. Chest up, chin up, chest up. Take a deep breath. Cross down. The counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, 2, 3, 4, down, 6, 7, 8. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. You got me? Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. 2 more. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Get ready. Slow, slow. Let's add the hips. Figure 8. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. You can do this. Up, up, down, down, down. 2 more times. Try it with me. It's tricky. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2 more. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Last time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Shimmy. Good. Inhale. Take a deep breath. Exhale down. Are you ready to try it with the music? We're going to do it.